All right, welcome back. We are back on the SS truck today. As you can tell, I'm really enjoying this build, but you cannot build one of the baddest turbo trucks without the baddest fuel system. And you got to start with these guys, Radium. They make one heck of a fuel cell. This is a triple pump surge tank. It's got everything you want in it, anything you could need. If you do need something different, hit them up. They've got all types of stuff, and they are American made. They're just the best, so that's why I'm really giving them a shout out on this. Other than that, we got some Evil fuel lines, good bang for your buck. Comes with I don't know, like 10 different fittings, a tool that helps you. We got the Dorman electric fans. These are just a replacement for the stocks. They're right off the shelf, so if you need these, they're in the 5.3 trucks or the 6.0 Cadillac part numbers. This is the triple relay upgrade for the Silverados and Cadillacs. They have a little bit of a wiring issue, so these are great upgrades. And then you pin it right back into the factory harness. Everything works like stock. So we're just going to get into it today. We have to cut out the rear spare tire section where the two bars are there, and then to get that into the back. There's no other place to fit it. It won't fit in the old stock fuel tank place, and I don't want to put it in the bed, because if you do a drag and drive, every inch of bed you do or lose is a big deal. So we're gonna put it back here, and we obviously have a receiver to help protect it if we ever get hit, but ain't nothing to it but to get to it. But here is our Radium fuel cell with a triple pumps in it. If you have something like this, high horsepower, that you're going to need lots of fuel pump. I think this is good to about 1500 horsepower, so I think it's going to be good for everything we're going to do. But I do got to remove this back bar for the spare tire, scoot the fuel cell back, get a place where this actually has room to mount, get this mounted, and then we got to get some fuel lines ordered up. And also I will be putting dual batteries where the stock tank used to go, so underneath the bed, so nobody knows you got them. But ain't nothing to it, but let's get to it. Welcome back to installing our fuel cell and the single cab SS build. It's the baddest fuel cell I've ever seen, so I got to weld in this back cross member, and it's windy, it's about to rain, so I got to get the weld. Do a couple more things, make sure I'm not too low. I don't think I'm too low. Might bring it up a pinch. I got some brackets on it. Cool. Yeah. I made this yesterday. Right. These fuel lines come up and they turn. Yeah. And I only have so much room before it hits this. See how tall these are?
Yeah.
So it sets, the bottom of this sets there.
Okay.
So then I have a little extra height. So now
you have that much?
Yeah. So I have this much extra room.
To put your fuel lines.
Yeah, for those to curve up, but if I'm too high, I'm gonna hit the bottom. And I don't want the gas tank sticking out any longer than I have to be. I was going to order them yesterday. I was like, oh, I'll just wait. And I could have had them today, but now I waited too long. That looks backwards, but I just want to say thank you to everybody that subscribes. We are at over 800 subs now, and yeah, I never thought I'd even get this far, so I really appreciate it. And this is going to be on this SS clone truck forever. All right, I forgot to hit record. I got it all mounted. All right, engine side update. We've got kind of a lot done. I'm gonna stay out of the light. I've got the radiator, I've got the AC condenser, I've got the intercooler mounted, I've got the headlights on. We've got an upper radiator hose and a lower. I had a hard time getting the plumbing through here, but once I cut off about 1.5 inches of the top radiator hose, as you can see, fits real nice. We got a blow off valve up top. It's 50 millimeter VS racing. I'm probably gonna buy another because I don't think that one's gonna quite do the job. I will double check a little more of my math before I do that, but just to make sure I have enough that we don't pop this Holley EFI intake like a soda can. As of right now, the front's really coming together. The cold side is almost done. We've got it routed up right behind the headlights. It's coming out right above here where the stock computer is. We're gonna keep that for all the gauges, make this thing work as close to stock as possible. I want it to look really nice. A street driven truck is what this is gonna be. Summer's right around the corner, so we're really stepping on the gas on this one. If you guys like this Silverado all-wheel drive project, please like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys are running. First time I've ever built an LS, so let me know.